Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing the unboxing of another jeans. This time I picked up jeans from Gap. I never shopped there as I was in past living in Europe, so Gap wasn't available there, so I wasn't buying them. And now I'm here and I wanted to check if they are good quality and if they are good for more bigger sizes like me. I'm between 14 or 16 and I was curious if they would fit my figure well, as most of the times I have to get jeans with stretch. So yeah, they came in this package. Let's see. So here are the pictures of the jeans from the site and the product details. If you want, you can read. Here they are. I got them in size 16 tall, which is 33, and I wasn't sure if I will fit in them or if they too big, as I never buy any Gap jeans. And these are mom jeans or something like that. No, these are high-rise cigarette stretch, fitted through the hip and thigh, slim straight leg hits the ankle. Here. But I tried them already, and what I can tell you, they are too big on me, as this one is like too long for me and it's not fitted through the hip too much. It's more loose. That's why I think I will have to size down, because they are a little small. I mean too loose in this part, thigh part, and they're also too long as I get long size. I am 5'8", so tomorrow I will go to store and exchange to smaller size. And the details about these jeans looks like this. They are really nice quality, I can tell. I think they are better quality than American Eagle, to be honest. Here they have nice pockets which has some pinks on them, and it says cigarette here. And here it says Gap denim. It's little details that are telling me that they are cute, and also jean material is more thicker. And they have funny wash. Look guys, here distressed. Here they have the stressing in knees, and here and here and here. So I will try them on and we will see if they fit me. Also, they have smoothing pockets. They say it on page. So smoothing pockets just looks like this. I don't know if it's something special about them, but they say that they smooth your belly. Quiet lens. Sorry about my lens, it's so loud. Okay. And I really like that wash, it's really beautiful. I've got them on sale, and also I used 25% because I subscribed to emails on Gap page. So I've got that 25% additional to sale. This will be thumbnail. Okay, I try it on. There are jeans from Gap. they fit like this. It looks like this. Let's see if they fit here well, even a little tight. Here is slightly loose. And they look like this. Because they are high-waisted. Yeah, so they looks like this. Outside they looks like this. High-waisted. Just the problem is that the ribs will be above the knees when I put them up. So this is little weird. I think they should be lower. This is when I cut them. Maybe these I keep, and I will return American Eagle. Because they are comfortable. Let's take a test of sitting. Are they comfortable? Yeah, I guess so. Here are my ribbed knees. So ribbed knees looks like this. It's a little big house, but I like it. It's really in style now. For example, celebrities like Hilary Duff wears often such jeans, so it's really in style. So yeah, these jeans are really nice. I really like how they fit. They are a little looser, and those ribs on knees are now in style, so that's why I purchased them. And that knee holes are a little higher than knees, but I think maybe it's better even. Maybe it's a better solution, I don't know. And I like that the dressing of these jeans, and also that they are a little looser, not like super tight, because I'm a little bit tired of those skinny jeans all over the place. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe and give like, and see you in the next videos. Bye.